In this question, we've got to find the volume of this cylinder, giving the answer in terms of pi. Well, the volume of a cylinder is equal to the area of the end, which is pi r squared, times by the height. So that's the formula we're using. R is the radius, which is the middle to the edge. That's the radius. So in this question, the radius will be 5. H, the height, will be 10. So we're going to have pi times by the radius squared times by the height will give us the volume. The 5 squared is 25. And when you times the 25 by 10, you'll get 250. We've still got the pi here, so the answer will be 250 pi for the volume of that shape. In part B of the question, it says 20 of the cylinders are packed in a box of height 10 centimeters. And we're now looking down on that box. The shaded area is the space between the cylinders. Work out the volume inside the box that is not filled by the cylinders. Give your answer in terms of pi. So, first of all, we know each cylinder from the previous part of the question has a diameter of 10 centimeters. So across there, that is 10. So all the way across here, it's going to be 5 lots of 10, so that is going to be 50. Similarly, down here, each of these heights is 10, so that's going to be 40. So the box is 50 centimeters by 40 centimeters. So first of all, what we can work out is the area of the box, that's the base of the box, is going to be 50 times by 40. 5 fours are 20, and the 2 zeros. So the area of the base of the box will be 2,000 centimeters squared. What we need to work out next is the area of one of these circles. The area of a circle is pi r squared. So that will be pi, and the radius, which is the middle to the edge, is 5. Pi times by 5 squared. So that's 25 lots of pi. That's the area of each circle. And we've got 20 circles in here altogether. So the total area of all of these circles added up is 25 pi times by 20. 25 times by 20 is 500. So that's 500 pi. So we've got the area of the box is 2,000 centimeters. And the area of all the circles, that is 500 pi centimeters squared. So if we have those two areas, the difference between those is all the black area. So if I do my 2,000 centimeters squared, take away my 500 pi centimeters squared, that is equal to all the black area there. Now, it says I've got to leave my answers in terms of pi, so I'll have that as 2,000, take away 500 pi centimeters squared. Now the volume of that box, it's just the volume of anything, it's just the area times by the height. And I said earlier on, it said in the question, the box has got a height of 10 centimeters. So if I multiply that area by the height, that will give me the volume of all this black stuff, which is just the empty space. So I've got the area is 2,000 take away 500 pi. I've got to times that by the height, which is 10. I'll just do that by writing that down. And that will give me the volume. And that's a perfectly good answer for your question. Now, if you could multiply the brackets out, 10 lots of 2,000 is 20,000, and 10 lots of 500 is 5,000. So you could put down 20,000 minus 500 pi. That's perfectly acceptable as well.